Hello friends, this is Ilyas from Acumen Academy back again with a new tutorial of Photoshop, and guys, in today's video I will tell you how to colorize black and white photos with realism. But guys, before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then please go and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notifications update. So let's start. So this is the picture we will colorize. So first guys, we'll select any reference image for picking up the skin color shades. So we'll copy it by Ctrl plus C and paste it here by Ctrl plus V. Now select the eyedropper tool and make sure the sample is on all layers. Then select the brush and by pressing I on your keyboard, start picking up the colors. You have to pick different skin shades, as you can see. From lighter to darker, from highlights to shadow. After it, select it like this and press Ctrl plus J and delete this layer. You will get a skin color palette. We'll rename it by skin colors. Now you have to select the main layer and select gradient map. Make sure you select this section and now start putting all the skin color shades from darker to lighter like this on the panel. After it, press OK and put the layer blending mode to color. Then click on this section and press Ctrl plus I. Now you have to make sure the foreground color is white and select a soft brush now and start painting on the skin. Make sure you paint it properly so that it will look real. So you have to paint it accurately, like you can see. After this, you can turn off this layer and again click on this section, and now you have to adjust these panels so that it will match the image. Now after it, double click on this layer and you will get the underlining layer by blending options. By moving this, you can see that the skin color is fading, so you have to click on it by pressing Alt on the keyboard, so it will get divided. Now you have to do it just like this on both the sides so that it will give it more realism, as you can see. Now select hue and saturation and put it to colorize. We'll color her lips. Again put the blending mode to color and select this panel and press Ctrl plus I. Now by a soft brush, paint the lips properly. After it, again you can manage it like this and double click on the layer and again do this. Now we have to color her jacket. So according to me, her jacket will look good in blue color. So we'll again put a gradient map. We'll select this section and we'll start putting it blue color shades from darker to lighter portions, as you can see. We just have to go from the darker shades to the lighter shades, just like this. Manage them properly. Again go to the blending options and put it to color mode. Then we'll come on to layer mask and press Ctrl+I. And we'll again start painting on the jacket. As you can see. And you can see the jacket. Now we again go to this panel and adjust it, the darkness and lightness, and you can see the effect. You can see the color. Now on the jeans, I think darker gray color will look absolutely fine, so I'll use hue and saturation for it, and from it we'll just decrease the saturation and lightness so that it will get darker. Put it to color mode. Press Ctrl+I on the layer mask and start painting. But I think the color option is not working, so we'll put the layer back to normal and start painting. And you can see we have got a darker gray shade on the jeans. Now you can again set it according to the need, and you can take a look at the effect till now. After it, we'll again add a gradient map. This time we'll color her hairs. So according to me, her hairs will look good in brown color shade. So we'll add brown, darker shades and lighter shades in the panel. Put it to color mode. Again go to layer mask and Ctrl+I and start painting properly on her hairs. As you can see the effect, her hairs also. Now we'll adjust the panel again. After double click on it and again follow the same procedure on the underlying layer. Now we'll rename all the layers. Now again select a gradient map, and this time I am selecting olive green color shades for coloring the wall. So I'll select darker shades of olive green and lighter shades of olive green. And after it, we just have to paint it. We have to follow the same procedure for the wall also. Again, we'll follow the same on underlying layer. So this is the white portion, so we'll not color this because this remains white in actual life also. Now again we'll select hue and saturation, we'll colorize, and on a brownish shade we'll increase the saturation and put it to color. Now we'll convert the layer mask by Ctrl+I, and we'll start painting on the floor. First we'll rename it floor. And we'll again follow the same procedure for underlying layer. Now we'll adjust the floor according to need, and guys, it's done. You can see the effect. We've colored the picture. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you guys want any video on any topic, then please leave the comments below, or if you need any help. Thank you.